Hi guys, today video I'm going to unbox this Bosch Go Mini electric motor. Okay, as you can see, there's the box with the local language. It's a local language is like this. Okay, now let's get into it. Now I take out the box. Okay, and then oh, it already open. Okay, in the box there's a warranty card in a local language, Cambodia. Motor, charger cable with the Android cable and the adapter. This one is the accessory. All the tool, and below is the manual written in many languages: English, French, Thailand, and another thing. This manual is on March 2018. Okay, and that's all in the box. And the motor is very small and comfortable, and you can use the accessory, just plug into it, and it's magnetic. As you can see, it can be upward, backward, manual, and on the back we can set for the gear the number of speed. Now it's number 5. It's from number 1. I don't know if you can see or not. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the maximum is number 6. And to run the motor, you can see there's no pushing button that can run the motor. How to run the motor? You just press it. When it get pressure, the motor will be run. Okay. When the motor is, when I press it hard, motor is running, and you can see the light come out here. Green light. It's 3 level. It's mentioned the level of the battery, and the battery charger is on the back here. It's a non-removable battery. You can use with this adapter or on the how I said, on the advantage of this is we can use with the power bank. Now I plug it into the power bank. You can see the battery now is full already. When I plug out, and in again. Okay. It's a very good for me and for all in engineer, another engineer that use not a hard, how I say, just for the remove screw. And another thing is the best tool for you. Even the price is a little bit high from another electric motor, but it's very useful because of the size. It's very small. You can even put it in your bag. You can see, just can fit it on your hand. For the accessory, you can extend. It has adapter, and also this adapter also magnetic. Focus. Yeah, magnetic, and you can plug it. Magnetic. And then I also can use another, this accessory I buy outside. It can choose. Okay, thank you guys for your time watching this video. I hope this video will help you to know more about this Bosch Go Mini. And if you have any question, please drop me your comment and I will reply all your comment. And please subscribe for more video, and see you again in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.